Hey everyone, Zach here, and I'm very excited to share that my brand new sound effects pack, Fractured, is available right now. I created this library by recording some source materials such as paper grocery bags and swirling glasses, did a bunch of processing, and came up with some pretty interesting sci-fi textures. I think this library would work really well for creating stylistic magic spells or anything futuristic that just needs extra energy. And the best part is that this library is absolutely free, so head on over to my website right now and grab that download today. Thank you so much for checking this out. I hope that this library helps you. If you enjoyed the sounds or find them useful, let me know. I would love to hear from you. Later!